Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will be going over the trade limits feature in TopstepX. To access the trade limits, you simply move over the gear on the left side and you will see it under the Risk Settings tab. Trade limits, you can set the maximum trades per day and or the maximum trades per week. In this example, let's use a maximum trades per day of 10. Be sure to hit save before we exit the screen. Going back to the chart, we have our quantity on 1 or 3 or 5 or 10. It is irrelevant because these will count as one trade. So for example, if we choose 1 and we buy the market and then we flatten, when we go back to our settings, we will see that we have 9 trades remaining for today. So let's go back and place another trade. This one will be of multiple contracts. We place a trade with 5 contracts, and then we can sell those or flatten. And we go back to check our settings, and we notice now that we have 8 trades remaining for the day. Now what if we scaled in or out? So let's place a buy of 5. Move these out of the way. And let's change our quantity to 1 and choose sell, and choose sell, and choose sell. When we go back and check our settings, we will see that we now have 5 trades remaining. Let's remove the remaining contracts. We sell the last one. We sell the last 2. Now we go back, we have 3 trades remaining. So we can see that these are counted as round trip. So let's finish these 3 remaining trades and see what happens. We're going to buy and sell again, and for our final, we buy and sell. Now what happens is it shows our lockout for the remainder of the day with the countdown. This will reset at the end of the trading session. For example, if it is a Monday, then Monday night at 5 p.m. Central Time, it will be reset and the lockout will go away. We are no longer allowed to place trades in this account. We can change the account and it does not affect the new account that we are trading. When we go back into settings, we will need to reset the number of trades minimum per day or per week for the account we are working with. Notice this is already finished and it tells us that we have reached our max for the day and that we are locked out. This is a great feature to help you avoid situations where you may overtrade when you really don't want to. This has been TopstepX in 5 minutes or less, the trade limits feature.